Hey there. Let me ask you something. When's the last time you felt really strong? Like picked up your groceries without thinking twice, or got up off the couch without using your hands? Yeah, I thought so. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you with a bunch of fake studies or crazy promises, but what I am gonna share are 5 exercises that physical therapists actually recommend. The kind of stuff that real doctors tell their own parents to do. And here's the thing, you don't need a gym membership, you don't need fancy equipment, and honestly, you can do most of this stuff while watching your favorite TV show. All right, let's jump in. Number 5, wall push-ups. So, wall push-ups. I know, sounds too easy, right? But hear me out. Stand about an arm's length from the wall, put your hands flat against it, like you're trying to push the wall over. Now lean in slowly until your nose almost touches, then push yourself back. Do like 10 of these. Why does this matter? Because this builds up your chest and arm strength, the same muscles you use when you're pushing yourself up out of bed or catching yourself if you trip. It's not glamorous, but it works. Number 4, sit to stand or chair squats. Okay, this one's huge, like really huge. Sit in a sturdy chair, now stand up, then sit back down. That's it. But here's the trick. Do it slowly and try not to use your hands. Cross your arms over your chest if you can. Start with just 5. Work your way up to 10, then 15. This exercise, it's basically training for life. Every time you get out of the car, off the toilet, out of a restaurant booth, you're doing this movement. And let me tell you, the day you can't do this anymore is the day your independence starts slipping away. So yeah, practice it now while you still can. Number 3, heel raises. Stand behind a chair and hold the back of it lightly, just for balance. Now, go up on your tippy toes, hold for a second or two, come back down slowly. Do 10 to 15 of these. Your calves are actually super important for balance and circulation. Plus, strong calves mean you're less likely to fall. And I don't gotta tell you what a broken hip means at our age, right? Number 2, marching in place. This one feels silly, but stick with me. Stand next to a counter or chair for balance. Lift one knee up like you're marching in a parade. Doesn't have to be high, just comfortable. Put it down, lift the other one. Do this for like 30 seconds to a minute. What's this doing? It's working your hip flexors, those muscles that lift your legs when you walk or climb stairs. Keep those strong and you keep moving. Number 1, the balance stand. Here's the winner, and it's stupid simple. Stand on one foot. That's it. Hold on to a counter if you need to. Try to hold for 10 seconds. Switch feet. Do it a few times. Why is this number 1? Because balance is everything after 60. Falls are no joke. They can literally change your whole life in a second. The more you practice balancing, the better your body gets at catching you when you stumble. Real talk. Look, I'm not going to tell you this is going to make you look like you're 40 again or whatever. That's nonsense. But will these exercises help you stay stronger, move better, and keep your independence longer? Yeah, absolutely. The trick is actually doing them. Not once, not when you feel like it, but regularly, like 3-4 times a week. Put on your favorite show, do these during commercial breaks, or right after breakfast, whatever works for you. And hey, before you start anything new, check with your doctor, especially if you've got health issues or it's been a while since you exercised. But honestly, these are pretty gentle. Most people can handle them just fine. So, there you go. 5 exercises. No equipment needed, no gym required. Just you taking care of yourself. Because at the end of the day, staying strong isn't about living forever. It's about living well for as long as you've got. Now, get up and give one of these a try. Your future self will thank you.